everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a review. It's called No Problem Prime Essence Prime Essence. It's a primer, flower extracts, and calendula by Touch and Soul, and this is what the packaging looks like. This is just the box. This is the actual bottle itself, and I just think it's very nice and sleek. I love that it's a squeezy 2-1. I love the color. It kind of matches my hair a smidge. The directions say, at the last step of skincare, apply a moderate amount on to face and then gently pat over skin. However, I didn't do that. I didn't do that because I always just really enjoy using a beauty sponge, only because I feel like it goes on better. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get this video started. Alright, there's Michaela. I don't know if y'all could see her, but she is right there. Wave hi!
Hi guys.
I have a little special guest. She's right there. I still want to do this video because we're going to her little brother's birthday party, and I want to get ready, and I want to try. It's the No Problem whatever Prime Essence from Touch and Soul. This is what it looks like, and I really want to give it a go because I feel like they might have a really great product. I am a big fan of South Korea's like beauty products and all their skincare and all that stuff, so I just really want to give this product a go. This did come in my BoxyCharm box, so let me see how much it retails for, but I'm going to check it really well. If you could hear it, it's quite like loose. So this one retails for $23, and you get 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my damp beauty sponge, and I am going to apply this primer on my face. Then I'm going to do my concealer and foundation and setting powder like normal, and I'm going to see how it goes on. So this is the primer, the foundation, and the L'Oreal Infallible and the Laura Mercier. I really like this combo, especially for summer, because it's very lightweight for me personally, and I'm going to use a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Ooh, I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. I always do. Oh, it's quite little bitty like I thought. I already did my eyes. I look a little crazy right now because I'm not finished yet, and I need a lot more product in this. But like, I don't like to. Oh, nope. I'm not gonna do that. I made a big mess. Got all over my eyebrow. Oh, it's in my eyebrows. This is leaking everywhere. I'm really gonna concentrate it right on my nose because that's where most of my pore problem is. It smells interesting. It smells kind of florally. It feels kind of heavy. It doesn't feel, if I thought it would be more lightweight, but I could kind of already feel it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix my two foundations. So I mix my foundation, and I'm gonna put it on with that same beauty sponge. So far, my face looks glowy in a really good way. I don't know if this primer is supposed to like make it glowy. It looks really good. Now I'm gonna use my concealer and see how that goes on as a layer. Oh, I want to fast forward it, but so far I honestly kind of really like this primer because my skin looks so healthy and glowy. I'm really impressed right now. You can't see it, but you have so much glitter on your face, we have to wash it. So far,
she's almost done.
My foundation and concealer is set, like, it looks beautiful. And now I'm going to use the Pretty Vulgar setting powder because this is my favorite setting powder. It makes my skin look so smooth. I tried to use the Cover FX one day because like, I just want to get rid of it. I don't like it. I don't know why I got it. I thought it's gonna be like the best thing ever, but it's not. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some bronzer, some blusher, highlighter, put my lips on, finish my lower lash line, and then I shall return. Overall, this product is amazing. Like, my nose looks so good. Like, I didn't have any problems whatsoever, like setting it, even like putting the foundation on. When I put the foundation on, it just went on nice and smooth. I was just like, whoa. I don't know, I have a mirror because it's a little far, so I was just like, doing it how I always do it. And then when I was looking at a mirror like up close, I was like, oh my goodness, my nose looks so good. And I have a nice healthy glow. Even before I put on like the highlighter, the blusher, the bronzer, I felt like my face looked really nice. And I think it's honestly because of this primer here, and I'm just so impressed with it. Really loving this primer. I knew I had a feeling with something like it, but the thing I don't like about it, I could only say one downfall, is that it's so liquidy that when I put it in the back of my hand, it runs. And I feel like I might have put on a little too much, and I might use my hands next time instead of the beauty sponge. It's kind of weird that I couldn't really tell with the beauty sponge like how much I was putting on, because I really couldn't feel it. But once I was like, oh, I think this is enough, then I could really feel it. I was like, ooh, I might put on a little too much. It's amazing, and I honestly love it. That is my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know by liking it, leave me in a comment. Also, leave a comment about future videos you'd like me to do or you'd like me to review. Until my next video, I shall see you guys next time. Bye!